Okay, now we're gonna start with Shabab game. So this is, it was at place P, we bring it at place D. Okay, Shabab, what is game? Process game, number one. Process game. KP. Yes, Shabab, how we define process game? KP. Yes, Shabab.
Delta output over delta input.
Delta mean what? We don't need this delta. It is change in output over change in input. So how much change in output? Yes, Shabab, how much change in output? Yes, Shabab.
D minus C.
D minus C. Well, D minus C over
B minus A.
D minus A. Very good. Number two, Shabab. Process data time. TD. How we define TD, Shabab?
T2 minus T1.
Very good. T2 minus T1. What is T2, Shabab? T2 is what?
The time static of the output.
Time
of the change, Sisha, of the change of
And what is T1, Shabab? What is T1?
time for stop. Time for stopping.
Time?
For change of
Input
the
applied.
output.
Time and input applied. Input applied. Shabab with me?
Like time of the change, Sisha.
Sorry?
Like of the time of change, like a practical Sisha.
Yeah, like the time of change, no problem. Yeah.
Okay.
But see, this is T1, we apply the input, and this is T2, output appears. What is number 3, Shabab? Time constant.
Time constant. Yeah.
Process time constant, tau. How we define the tau, Shabab? How we define the tau?
64 over 100.
63.2% of span. Time to reach 63.2% of span. Time to reach 63.2% of span. So what is the span here, Shabab? What is the span here? Step number 1.
T2 minus T1. D minus C.
Span.
D
This
minus
is
C.
the span. D minus C. Imagine C is 10 and D is 90. So what is the span?
80.
80. Very good. Okay. Step number 2. Take the 63.2% of span. Say it is E. So how much? 63.2 into 80. How much, Shabab?
1 minute.
How much, Shabab?
Where is calculator?
50.4. Some brother is saying 50.4. Shabab, verify it.
Yes.
50.4. Very good.
15.56.
50.56, teacher.
50.56.
Yes.
Okay, Shabab, verify. Everybody verify this one. 50.56 or 50. Whatever, you please verify. Right, Shabab? Okay, step C. What is step C, Shabab? Add the initial value. So this is E plus add the initial value. What is the initial value, Shabab, here? What is the initial value? 10.
10.
That is E. So E is 50.56 plus 10. How much? 60.56. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are writing yes. That's good. Now we will
Yes, sir.
find 60.56 here. We say approximately here. So it is E plus C, that is equal to 50.56. We draw a line here, Shabab. We draw a straight line here and bring the straight line here on the time axis. What is this time? What is this time, Shabab? T3. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing, mashallah. So lot of brothers, they are writing. Very good. Very good. So this is T3. So what is time constant, Shabab? Time constant is what? T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. What is T3, Shabab? What is T3? Yeah, Shabab, what is T3? T3 is what? T3 is the time output reaches or just reaches reaches 63.2% of span. And what is T2, Shabab? What is T2? Which time is T2? Shabab with me?
The input applied, teacher.
No, no,
Input
T2.
applied.
T2.
Start,
This is
teacher.
starts. Output starts. Output reaches 63.2%. T2 which time? Output starts. Shabab with me? That's good. Lot of brothers, they are saying yes, mashallah. That's good. Okay, Shabab. What is ideal gain? What is the ideal gain, Shabab? What is ideal gain? Ideal gain is what? Misali gain. What is ideal gain, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. What is ideal gain? Ideal. Shabab with me?
Infinity.
Infinity. Very good. The ideal gain is infinity. We want ideal gain infinity. Yeah, practically we know it is not possible, but that's what we want. Ideal gain. What is our ideal gain, Shabab? Infinity. Right, Shabab? Any person has any question up to here, Shabab? Our with the ideal gain. Somebody has question? Please ask. So we want all our processes, they give ideal gain. Lot of brothers, they are saying, mashallah, no, so they don't have any question. Alhamdulillah. Okay, Shabab. What is our ideal dead time? What is ideal dead time?
0.
0. Very good. 0. Ideal dead time? 0. Very good, Shabab. Ideal dead time is 0. We want, as soon as we push the accelerator of our car should start. Right, Shabab? As soon as we push the accelerator of our car should start. Yeah, we know it is not possible. There is always a dead time between we push the accelerator and the car starts. We want, as soon as we on the switch of the light should be on. Again, we know it is not possible until now. So there is always a gap, a dead time between the input apply and output starts. Okay, Shabab. What is our ideal time constant? What is our ideal time constant, Shabab? 0. Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing 0. Very good. So what we want? We want, as soon as we push the accelerator, our car reaches 350 km/h. The maximum speed we want to attain. Right? So that's why we want time constant 0. We want, as soon as we on the light should be full on, 100% on, all of a sudden. Yeah, we know it is not possible, but that's what we want, 0. Okay, Shabab, now I have a question for you guys. Everybody with me, Shabab? Everybody with me, Shabab? That's good. A lot of brothers, they are saying yes. Okay. Now, for example, lot of young peoples, they like manual car. They don't like automatic car. What is the reason? Yashiba, what is the reason?
So
What is the
speed,
reason?
teacher.
So they can, very good. They can control the speed. They can control the speed. So in the manual car, you can control the speed by changing the gear by yourself. You can change the gear by yourself. You can push the accelerator more. You can make a balance with the clutch, accelerator, and gear. And you can increase the speed very fast. In manual car, you cannot do that. In manual car, the gear gonna get changed automatically. So there is a fixed speed. If you reach the speed, the gear will change. Otherwise, it will not change. So in automatic car, we cannot change the gear. In manual car, we can change the gear. Okay. In manual car, when they are changing the gear, they control the time constant or dead time. What they control? Yes, Shabab. What they control? They control the dead time or time constant or dead time. What they control? Very good. Lot of brothers, they are writing time constant. Yes, they control the time constant. What is the dead time? Dead time is you push the accelerator and you wait the car start. That is the dead time. So you push the accelerator and maybe it is nanosecond, maybe it is microsecond, but you have to wait the car start. On the other hand, time constant, once the car start, see, output starts. When the car starts, then how long it will take to reach the 63.2%. So whoever will reach 63.2% faster, it will reach maximum faster. So here we play with the gears, we play with the clutch, we play with the accelerator, we make the balance, and we change the gears very fast in manual car. So we play with the time constant. We cannot play with the time constant in automatic car. So automatic car, the time constant, the changing of the gear, proportional to the speed. So if the speed is increasing up to some limit, the first gear will change. Then again, if you increase the speed, the second gear will change. But we cannot control it by ourselves. It is being controlled by a car automatically. Any question up to here, Shabab? Yes, Shabab. Any question up to here? A lot of brothers, they are writing no. Please, if any brother has any question, please ask.
Teacher, what does it mean, time constant? What is the time constant?
Time constant means to reach the 63.2%. See here. It is starting from here. This is, imagine 10 or 0, right? You are with me, brother?
Yes, I am with you.
Okay. Now it is starting from here and it is reaching to the steady state. This one, right? So in 63.2%, 63.2%, this is the time when it reaches the 63.2%. So this is the time constant. T3 minus T2 is the time constant. So if something is reaching 63.2% faster, it will go to steady state faster. This is what, Shiva? This is dead time. Now imagine there is another process that is going like this to steady state, like this, right? With me?
Yes,
so here, its time constant will be where? Here, right? It will reach 63.2% here. So which process is the faster? Say this is P1, this is P2. So which process is faster?
P2.
P2. That's it. So it means you understand. So P2 is faster, its time constant is smaller. So whoever time constant is smaller, that will be faster, right?
Right.
So what we want? We want to go to the maximum in 0 time. Like this one we want. This one. That's what we want. So we want to go to maximum in 0 time. That's what is our ideal. Right?
Right.
So whoever has small time constant, the process will go to steady state faster.
It's clear, doctor. Thank you.
You are welcome. Any other brother Shabab, please ask. If you have any question, please ask. Inshallah, from the coming week, we will start solving the example and problem for this chapter. But please ask the question. If you have any question, please ask.
How I can find T3 without the graph?
T3 without diagram, you think you can find?
I don't think so.
Yeah, that's it. So you have done the experiment, right?
Yes.
How many experiment you did?
Maybe 4 or 5, teacher.
4
4 or 5.
experiment you did, right? And how many assignments you did?
4 or 5.
How many?
4.
So after that, you are asking me, can we find T3 without diagram? Is it
No,
possible?
teacher. My question is good question because I want to ask you how I find the more better. This is
Sorry?
my question.
Yes, please.
If I don't have a graph, I don't have the program. How I can find this? Maybe I have
See,
to wait. So ask you this question. I understand. Yeah.
Something you need. Either you need the data or you need the graph, right?
Yes.
No, you remember question 7 in our lab? Question number 7? You remember?
Yes, teacher.
In question 7, graph is given?
Yeah. I don't have
No
that.
graph is given. What is given? Data is given. You remember that?
Yes.
So with the
Yes.
data, you can find the time constant, or with the data you draw the graph and then find the time constant, right?
Yes.
So at the end, you need something. Either it is data or it is some graph or something you need to find the time constant. Without data, without graph, it is like we are not
Impossible.
constant, maybe something else, right?
I know and I understand, teacher, and I would do
That's good.
all the
That's good,
lecture.
mashallah. That's good.
But I have
Yes, brother.
maybe I want the first way.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Your question is valid. Your question is good. Your question is not bad. Your question is very good. Your question is valid. Is there any other way to find it? Either data or graph. That's what we prefer. Right?
Okay.
Any other brother has question, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab. Any other brother has question? Please ask. How many brothers start revision, Shabab? Somebody revising? Yeah, Shabab. That's good. A lot of brothers they are writing yes. That's good. Very good. Inshallah, maybe the coming week we will announce our quiz 1, inshallah. So I suggest all the brothers please start revising and preparation. Right, Shabab? Any brother has any question, Shabab?
Thank
Any
you.
brother has
Thank
any
you, teacher.
question? Thank you very much, Shabab. Thank you very much. And have a nice weekend, inshallah. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.